So we've got 5 to the power 3. Now 5 to the power 3 just means 5 times 5 times 5. So that is equal to 125. And again, it's asking for the value, which means it's the number that we're looking for. Write down the value of the square root of 121. Again, we should know 1 to 15 and the square numbers. So 11 squared is 121. So the value is 11. Right, 2 consecutive. Okay, so the word consecutive means numbers that follow on. So 1 and 2 are consecutive numbers, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 9 and 10, they're all consecutive numbers. So root 40. So we've got to think about our square numbers. Square numbers 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49. So root 40 must lie somewhere between these two. So that is 6 and 7. Okay, question 10. 50 people took a test. 30 people predicted they would pass. Now remember that in this frequency tree, the number here and here must add together to give 50. So first of all, 30 hopefully becomes pretty obvious that they pass, and which means that this must be 20 because 30 plus 20 makes 50. Now it says 36 people did pass the test, which means it's this one and this one has to equal 36 because they're the ones that passed the test. Of these 36, 3 times as many predicted a pass than failed. So whatever number this is, predicted a pass, so 3 times as many predicted a pass than a fail. This has to be 3 times the number that goes in here. So you could just do trial and error and sort of say, well, if that's 3 times 3, that would have to be 9, but they don't add up to 36. So in total, we've got 3 times as many, that's 3 to 1, which that's 3 times as many, which means in total we've got 4 parts. And if we share 4 parts by 36, we end up with 9 in total. So 9 threes are 27. 9 ones are 9. Check it works. 27 plus 9 is 36. And that is 3 times 9 is 27. Now the next bit becomes a bit easier. 27, so that must be 3. And this one here must be 11. Now, if you couldn't work this out, you need to put numbers in here that still come together to make 30 and still come together to get 20 to at least get the 1 mark. And then it's about whether you know the 3 times. Okay.